Hi there, I'm Angelina and I'm a human biology major at USC Dornsife. I teach 4th grade science with the JEP Young Scientist Program, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a lava lamp. The materials for this experiment include some vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil, but you can use any kind. Food coloring, I chose 3 primary colors. Alka-Seltzer, or any kind of off-brand antacid that bubbles when you add it in water, some water, and then a flask that is clear. I'm just using a regular glass. So our first step is to fill our container with vegetable oil, and you want to fill it kind of almost to the top but not too high. You want to leave a bit of space for water. So I'm pouring. And I think that's enough. I will put a little bit more, and then the rest of the space I'll leave for the water. So next, we're going to add water. Now, you may know this already, but water and oil don't mix. So when we pour the water into this container, you'll see that it just sinks straight to the bottom. See how this bubbles up a bit? Very cool. Next, we're going to add our food coloring, and I'm going to add the red and the yellow because I love my USC colors. So the thing about food coloring is that it's pretty strong, so you only need a few drops. Also, it is water-based, so instead of settling in the layer with the oil, it will sink to the layer with the water. Let's see this in action. So it's kind of staying on top at the moment, but if you shake it a little bit, it sinks all the way down. I'm gonna add a couple more drops of red. Okay, that's enough red. Now I'm going to add my yellow. Be careful when you're using food coloring because it can stain pretty easily. Okay, I think that's enough. Next, we want to add our antacid or Alka-Seltzer tablet. So mine comes in a little packet like this. I'm going to rip it open. And you should just have a white tablet, like that. Now, to make this reaction go a little faster, you might want to break it into chunks, like this, small pieces. Now, let's add our chunks. You can see it starts bubbling. And that is how our lava lamp works. The antacid will react with the water and bubble, and it will send the food coloring drops of water into the oil. But because water is more dense than oil and they actually don't mix, the food coloring travels back down. Adding more tablets so it bubbles more. And that is how you make a lava lamp.